Hi, welcome to the Faculty of Cognitive Sciences and Human Development. Please register your biometrics. Thank you for registering. Among the activities held are photo shooting and singing competition, bazaar exhibition and games, fashion show and pet show, Jorgathon, and on the last day there will be 8 intelligent talent show. So see you at our open day this 23rd to 25th of March at FSKPM.